recording. We are live from the laundromat. Right, kids? I got my kids here today.
Hello.
Hello. They're gonna watch me play the laundry store today. Mainly my son, who's been wanting to play this game too. He wants to see what it's about because he wants to start a gaming channel too. About what? What do you want to start on?
About Minecraft.
I can't even hear you. What'd you say?
About Minecraft.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. All right, let's put this mic down. You want to hold the mic? You want to chill? Right there. No. I'm put it right here so I can still hear myself. All right, so we're on day 7. So one of the things as far as today goes, I told myself that I was going to make sure I had enough money. Okay, no. All right, I'll put the mic here. On day 7, I wanted to make sure I had enough money to pay for my loan. Now, I had a chance to do that earlier, which I didn't record it. I didn't get a chance to record it, but here's the bills. So we actually had some bills that expired. So I was able to pay $100 towards the loan. Look at that loan. So it went from $1,000 loan that he gave me, and went straight up to $10,000 in one day. So that's like so I gotta pay that back at some point in time. So the game doesn't really tell you how long until you have to pay it back, but it lets you know that you have to pay it back.
The bank?
The banker looks sketchy, right? Look at him. Look at the banker. Look at that. He got a kiss on his neck, the fake looking eye. He doesn't even have a lens in it, right? So yeah, so I paid a little bit of that during today. So I want to make it where every 7 days I put at least $100 towards that loan to kind of bring it down as much as possible. But now, since I did that, I only have $45.15, and I had to pay some electric bills and stuff like that. So today, now that's going, we are going to start with opening the store. Yep, but to open the store up. All right, I'll let you do the next one. All right. So the store's open. I thought you were playing Switch. What happened? So my kids are all playing games. You know, they were all playing their Switch Nintendo games, but now they don't want to play since I'm. Yes, he's a naked man. So the good thing about it, again, they have all the orders set and numbered. So we put order number 1 right here. Start that up. Order number 2. Start that up. Order number 2 is heavy. So the heavier the bag, the more money you can get. The lighter the bag, the less money you can get. So the potential of how much you made just now, potentially, that big bag, we can potentially get $5 plus $1 and some change for tip. This bag here, you can probably get $4 because of the small load. And then number 3, which is over there, we can get $4. So you want to put it in the dryer? I'll show you how to do that. Oh, hold on, babe. So if you look across the street, I have more customers about to come in right now. See them? Yeah, you see them? All right, so hit the F button, and then hit the F button again. All right. I gotta hit that button, and then, all right, cool. So now we got 1, 2, and 3 in the dryer, but now we got more orders that came in. So we put number 4 over here. It's heavy. Look at that. See, it's red. So I potentially get $5 and some change for that order. This one right here is a smaller, which is green. Yeah, exactly. So you can potentially only get $4 and extra money for tip. And this is, go ahead, grab that one. This is it's a large one. So you can potentially get $5 and some change for it. Alright, so these are done. Alright, so now number 1, someone graffiti. Yeah, someone with the graffiti is about to approach. Who's approaching right now? If someone with graffiti approaches the place, What we gotta do is get the wrench out. Yeah, we gotta get the wrench out. Who's this guy right here? Who's it? Something's nerd. What's he talking about? Hello, are you the owner of this laundromat? You got a Sailor Moon shirt. Alright, come in. I'm a bit shy. Can you help me clean? Well, unfortunately. Oh, someone got the graffiti already. No, that's not the guy. That's not the guy. I didn't catch the person who was trying to do graffiti. Alright, so now back to what we were doing before. We was actually in the process of doing order number 1. It's already 1 o'clock and we barely even got one order done. That's not good. Yeah, it is good. Which means we got no. And now we got the folds. Honestly, it'll be so much easier with the game controller, which can be connected. Just that we gotta get a working one. Alright, so now order number 2. You're gonna see how fast people come in once you finish the order. No. I appreciate you guys wanting to play. Why would you want to play your Switch? What happened to that? Okay. Alright, so the large order had more items to do. Look, see the naked guy right there? He already came to pick up his clothes. Why is it bad? And we got $1.50. Let's move the order number 4 into the dryer. Order number 5 into the this dryer. And let's take that out. So one of the bad things about this game, say for instance, I pick up the order and I did not dry it, for instance. And there's a bunch of dryers already available. There's not much I really can do besides putting it away onto the finish pile, which then messes up the whole system. You gotta really pay attention to where you're putting the clothes. Oh, see, someone's waiting. Yep. So the longer they wait, the less of a tip you get. For the most part, yeah, you always gotta pay attention. Now, one thing, yes, this is a large order. So the one thing about it, this game, I can't hear them when they come in for some reason. Maybe if I put the music on, I can probably hear them come through the door, but that makes no sense. I should be able to still hear them when they come through the door, right? No, what I'm saying, if the music, the sound effects are on, so the doorbell is not a music thing. Number 4. Someone from number 3 should be coming in soon to grab the order. Well, it's a heavy bag, so you can't really run with a heavy order. So if we do 9 orders today, and they all come out to be $5. What's 5 times? Oh, someone's there. 9. That's 5 times 9. Alright, yeah, so that means if each of the things is. Oh, he gave me $2 tip. Look. This came out to. That's good. It came out to $7. How was it bad?
$2.
This is a game. The $5 is now. It's not for this. What you're doing here is not a lot. But $2 is a lot. so we got a new tutorial. What happened? Graffiti. Yeah, so we handled that already. No, so it tells you like if to stop them from doing graffiti. You gotta hit them with the. What's that? What's that? Yeah. Well, the glitch about the game is I can finish it up until you hit the daily report. So even if we close, we can still finish up all the orders. That's a slight glitch with the game. In real life, if you were closed and you wanted, if customers came in at the last minute to pick the close, they could. I mean, if you allow them to. But if you're closed, you're closed. You can't go quicker because the bag is heavy. Yeah, that's all. I'm gonna come back to stalking. No, it's because we're about to close up in a few minutes. Why? Why would I close when you want to make as much money as you can per day? Why would I close now? What's this got me? So that task that they're telling me to do? Nothing. I don't know, but it's a task that you gotta complete. Well, you don't need all those machines yet. Yeah, so it's free to buy more wash machines. I want to get more money so we can actually afford them. Just buying machines just to buy them makes no sense. Especially when you can't believe the 2 plus $1 million per day. At some point, yeah, but we don't have enough money to pay them. How are you gonna pay them that much money? You're a staff person? You don't know yet because we haven't made it to that point. Imagine you're still starting off in the business. There's no way you can afford an employee unless you have a lot more room. If you $1,000 to start off with. So as you progress in the challenge, then you can recruit for another person. Right now, you kind of operate, you're the owner and operator. Yes, I am. Oh man, so now look, the washing machine's all messed up now. We gotta fix it. How do I fix it? Okay, well it's not. fix it, obviously you gotta hit it. In real life, obviously you're not gonna be hitting a machine like this, but you get the point.